Hello and good morning. Shannon Cecilia here with the Creative Cauldron and Shannon Flourishing Essence. And I am here today to share one of my gifts, and that is for channeling and receiving messages. I have the um, Angel Tarot deck, and so I'm going to be shuffling the deck and pulling a card and sharing the information that's coming in from Scorpio season. So I would love to work with you and give you a real treat. I love to work with the moon in their beautiful cycles. And so with the October special of a personal reading, that you choose whether it's an oracle or a tarot, and we work with your natal chart to initiate the process for your alchemy journey for transformational empowerment. And so this is an amazing way to amplify and amalgamate and like just the entire process of tuning into the ancient rhythmic cycles. And so trust the ability. It is safe to trust. King of Raphael, warm, generous, honorable, refined. Yes, it is safe to trust the ability to accomplish many things at once. Follow your creative passions. And so I love this beautiful card. This is resonating so much right now. People are multifaceted. Our lives, our businesses, our environments, our relationships, ourselves, multifaceted, multi-layered. And we have this beautiful cosmic dance. And so as we're dancing our beautiful cosmic dance, we are shining our light and illuminating our radiance. And the fastest trajectory for the magnetic attraction of our vibes is gratitude and love and joy. And so I invite you, what insights do you receive when you look at this beautiful card? Emotions are clear and current, joyful energy, inspired action, creativity, love. You are a beautiful starling, and you are here to rock up your journey. I invite you to join us in a creative cauldron. We stir the cauldron and step into the creative flow of the universe. We are non-linear beings, and our light is meant to shine and illuminate and radiate, rippling out into the cosmic universe. And so raising each other up raises ourselves, and the rhythm ripple expands. I invite you to join us. We have so much joyful fun, gratitude. Talk for now.